It's not picking up very good, though. I think it would pick up better if it had some light. Oh!
Hold it steady. Too wobbly.
Trying. My arm's just wobbly. You know, this also has a microphone? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I can hear what we're saying right now. Oh crap, there's a hair on it. Why'd I just do that?
I don't know.
On that Casey Jones figure comes with a mask. On, you know, that they had in the store. Excuse me. Oh. She's like, I'm gonna get that bird, isn't she? How do you post these things on the internet? I've made pretty funny trash bag videos. Oh! Hi, shot! It's a high shot I was missing. Oh! Hey, Mom. You think I've recorded this long enough?
It's entirely up to you.
I left some pliers on the floor behind you.
I love you.
If you can.
She's like, I'm gonna get her. Oh! Where'd she go? Oh! Ew! Why do I keep turning this toward the TV? Here, this is gonna be a bit easier. Put it on its stand. It's gonna be easier. That makes it easier. Do you think this is a good idea? Oh! Her tail feather. She's like, get her, Mittens! Get her, baby! Get her! Get her! Get her! Woo! Walking Dead is still on. Wait, what was that foot moving for? Whose foot was that?
That's Andrea trying to reach the pair of pliers that that dude left on the floor for her.
What was she trying to do? What is she trying to cut something?
She's trying to escape. She's tied up in that chair. If she can get a hold of those pliers.
She can cut the... What is she, chain or rope? Is that chain or rope that she's... What was it, chain or rope?
Rope.
Oh, so she can cut the rope and escape?
Mm-hmm.
You want to save some time? The next time you rent a DVD, don't buy
Thanks, Larry.
The way I see it, it's the next guy's problem.
Oh, Larry.
She thinks I'm crazy.
Mm-hmm.
But would a crazy person save 15% on car insurance in just 15 minutes?
15 minutes for a quote is crazy. With easier in 7.5 minutes.
Man, do you remember when she was like... Sounded like she was playing it like a drum? We've been recording this for 3 minutes. Oh dear. I think if I record for over an hour, it's gonna wear out the battery.
So you can reach your goal. Now, quit on your own terms with Make a Red or Make a Nervous and Cute.
Oh, there's Daddy! Gotta stop.